What's going on YouTube? If you're watching this video right now, it's probably because you've heard of this thing called Akashx. Now, I want to break this down for you raw, uncut, unfiltered, unedited, just giving you the real deal of what this program is, what the heck is Akashx, why you should get involved, and where we are going. Now, if you're new to the channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Richard Lantigua, aka Rich Vendiga, and I am actually one of the official educators on staff for Akashx. Now, I've personally been in the trading space since 2018, so at the time of this specific recording, I'm about almost 6 years plus in the trading game, and I actually got started as a student at that time. Absolutely no idea about trading, didn't know anything about anything, and 6 years later, staying consistent, learning through the ups and downs, I'm in the position here in this company to help you as a new trader learn the skill set and get to the goals that you have financially with this. Now, obviously, as an official educator for the platform, I can easily be very biased, but that is not the goal of this video. The goal of this video for me is to just give you the real truth about what this platform does, how it works, and what to expect if you decide to get started with Akashx today. Now, before we give a quick breakdown of how the platform works, I want to let you know to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to get involved for free and how to actually keep your membership with Akashx for absolutely free for life. So stay tuned. So first and foremost, Akashx, what we are is a trading community program. We specialize mainly in technology and just giving people the full framework of what they need to become successful in the day trading space. Now, you can easily learn for free on YouTube. I mean, you're watching a YouTube video, you can scroll off this right now and go watch a bunch of free content. Now, what I'm gonna say is a lot of people that try that, they have no structure, they have no mentorship, they have no guidance. They really are just gonna be all over the place, and it doesn't usually end up well for people that go that route. So can you be successful learning for free on YouTube, just kind of scrolling seamlessly through the internet? Yes, it's possible, but the whole point of investing into a program like this is to speed the learning curve and just connect with people that already know what to do to save you time and money. Now, when it comes to trading, because you might just be new to the space entirely, like most people that get started with Akashx are, you gotta understand that this is a game of risk and reward. Okay, the whole point of trading is to be able to multiply the income that you are earning right now with either your job, your business, etc. So yes, trading does involve risk. Now, as an educator, what we specialize in doing is putting you into the proper mindset to understand why should you even put your money at risk and why it's so worth it and why so many people are trying to get involved in it today. Now, the great thing about Akashx is that we are not just one dimensional. We actually have a lot of different trading styles that cater to all different types of people. We talk about forex, we talk about stocks, we talk about cryptocurrency. So anything you can really think about that you want to learn when it comes to trading, we have it here in Akashx. So the basic mindset that you want to have when you start trading is that we want to risk $1 to make $1. We want to risk $1 to make $2, $3, etc. It's all about risking something that we are okay with losing in order to get that back, maybe double, triple, or more of that whenever we decide to enter a market. Now, how we go about that is why we have different strategies, different approaches, and different methods to getting to that goal. And that's why you want to plug in with experienced professionals. So now I want to take you guys through the actual platform so you can see what it looks like hands-on, and then also show you testimonials, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what I say, it matters if I can help you get paid. So I want you to see from the members themselves what they've been able to do in a short time of being partnered with this platform. Boom. Okay, so we are now officially on the Akashx website. Now, the really cool part is that we have a desktop version, but you are not limited to just the desktop version. We also have the Akashx app that you guys can log into, whether you have iOS with iPhone or if you have the Google Play Store with your Android phone. Regardless if you use the app or if you use the desktop version, you can absolutely crush it regardless. So if you're on here, the main thing that you've probably heard about that interests you is something called tap to trade. So I want to show you guys tap to trade here really quickly. And essentially what this is the easiest way for somebody to start trading, knowing absolutely nothing and having an educator basically help you make the money for you. So really quickly, the way that tap to trade works is you will get an alert from one of the educators, including myself, and you will see that there's going to be an approve button. Simply, the way this works is you want to connect your trading account to our back office, and whenever a trade comes through on tap to trade, you simply hit the approve button. It will take the trade for you on your trading account and will be completely managed for you by whatever educator sent out that specific trade. Now, that is probably what got you interested in Akashx in the first place. It's what really has had a big buzz in the industry, because I have not really seen any company be able to do what we do with tap to trade at scale with thousands and thousands of members every single day. So if you join Akashx just for tap to trade, you will see an immense value, because there's really nothing like having a professional send trades that you simply approve and they manage everything for you. It's really a game changer. But I want to show you guys not just tap to trade, but how you can utilize the full platform to its max potential. So we talked about tap to trade. Now let's talk about trade alerts. So trade alerts are slightly different from tap to trade in the sense that this is where you have to copy and paste the information from Akashx to your trading account. So at the end of the day, you're still taking trade ideas from professionals, but you do have to manually enter and exit these trades instead of the tap to trade way where everything is managed for you. Now you may ask, why would I want to do trade alerts when there's tap to trade? Well, the thing is with tap to trade, you're going to be in and out of positions and you'll make some profits on those. But if you can add trade alerts to the repertoire, now you're going to have even bigger trades. You're going to have more trades to take, which can ultimately help you earn more in the markets. So you guys are getting a live look of the last couple of trade alerts that have come through on our platform. You can see Michael Ramesh sent out about 4 hours ago a trade for the euro versus Canadian dollar, and update, we hit one of the first take profits, meaning that money was made on that trade. Same thing with this Bitcoin trade that was sent out by Joel Arias. You can see he hit the second take profit level, so money was made on that trade. And you can see over and over, we have winning trades from multiple educators on the platform. Now, I want to give you the proper mindset. Regardless if you're on Akashx or if you trade independently or if you join some other company, you're going to have winning trades and you're going to have losing trades. It's very important to have the right expectations coming into a platform like this, or even just heading into the trading space in general, to make sure that you have a great experience, out the gate, and you know what to expect. So whether you're taking tap to trades, whether you're taking the trade alerts, expect wins and expect losses. We individually as educators create different trading plans that make it very simple for you to follow along and understand how to lose small and win big, ultimately helping you hit the profit goals that you're probably looking for if you want to get into trading. So for the people that really don't care to learn the skill set or to get better at it yourself, you just simply want to leverage the professionals with experience, tap to trade and trade alerts are obviously the most interesting, eye-catching things that the community gets involved with at the beginning. But if you also want to learn how to become more of an independent trader, or just overall understand how to win more in the markets, or just build your skill set, keep watching. I'm going to show you guys how we leverage our academies, pre-recorded content, and our live sessions to help you do just that. So for the people that actually want to learn our strategies, how we do what we do, we have an entire academy section here that you can click. And there's going to be beginner tutorials. It can progress you into advanced, expert, etc. So if we click on beginner, you will learn very simple things like the history of the market, what are the most popular currencies that are traded, what is forex, etc., etc. Now for me, the most exciting thing when it comes to the education is actually learning from the experts on staff here hands-on. So educator training series, you'll get a list of different academies put together by all of the different educators in the platform. You guys will see me right here, Rich Vendiga. You can click on my profile and you will get an entire 10-part video series that's going to show you how to set up your trading accounts, what apps and resources you need, brokers, prop firms, and really my entire strategy when it comes to trading what I mainly trade, which is the NASDAQ. how to risk manage your account properly, and even developing the bulletproof mindset that you're gonna need to be a successful trader. Now, myself and the entire education team spent a lot of time being very detailed with that bootcamp to really help you understand exactly what we're looking for when we're taking our trades. But I think the coolest thing that we have is actually showing what we do live in real time. So let me show you the live sessions. So if we come over here, you're gonna see we have the live sessions tab. And if we click that, you're gonna be able to see all of the educators again as well. And if we click on my sessions right here, which are broadcasted Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, you will see me streaming myself, actually, looking at the markets, analyzing, giving trade ideas, etc. Now, the cool thing as well is that we actually save every single session into a database where you can rewatch everything that we talked about on the previous session. So this is yesterday's session. If we click on here, you're going to be able to go back and watch this. Let's say that your schedule is conflicting with the live session, but you really want to see what we talked about. You can see the replay of my last live session here, where we're breaking down different trade ideas, talking with the community via the chat, and so forth. Now, the cool thing is some educators are going to spend more time teaching on these sessions, but we also have traders that will call even more trade ideas on their live sessions, aside from tap to trade and aside from the trade alerts. Now, aside from everything I've broken down for you here, you can also see we have scanners such as Golden Rain, Go, Elite Sniper, etc. So we have AI that's going to allow you to actually see different trading strategies that some of our educators use to catch setups in the market as well. Now, the coolest thing about Akashx, in my opinion, is how much of a tight-knit community we have. So we have chats via the app, and we also have chats that we utilize on Telegram, and you will see they are set up in a very organized way where we have a help section, a tap to trade section, and even a breakdown of the different things we trade, such as NAS 100, gold, Bitcoin, etc. So now let's talk about something that is very important, which is results, testimonials, the social proof that this concept really works. Because the number one thing that everybody hates when it comes to the trading industry is that you think it's going to work out for you, you think you're going to make some type of profit, and there's just really no good results out there. Not to mention how many scams and things of that nature exist, which is something that we get a lot from people that are entering the space. Like, hey, is this a scam? Is this real? Well, let's show you hands-on from our members in the community, people that we didn't even know a couple of months ago who have been able to win with this system. Now, keep something in mind that I mentioned at the beginning. In trading, there's going to be winners, losers, winning trades, losing trades. The biggest difference is how well do you actually follow instructions? Are you listening to the educators? Are you copying the trades properly? As long as you are onboarded, you understand how to work the system, you too can have results like the ones that we're about to show now. All right, so this is some recent results that we have here. This was Joel. His mom and dad just recently had these payouts from tradexmastery, which is our prop firm partner. So this is not just that they want to trade or that things were working well for a little bit. This is an actual certificate of payout, meaning they withdrew money and it hit their bank account. So we see a little bit over $1,400 here. We also see here another 1,200. Some more results right here. Lisanne was hopping on Brent's live session this morning and was able to pull over $3,000 in profit simply from following Brent's advice on his sessions. And these are some other payout certificates that just came out yesterday from today's date. We can see payouts, $19,500, $8,400 from Gabriel. We got $8,000 from Jenna. We got $5,000 from Arthur. Natalie with $4,000. Joel with a little bit under $6,000. I mean, I can keep going. Now let's look at what Ali had to say here. Guys, I started this crypto wallet fresh with $5,000 45 days ago to show you what's possible. He plugged into our Mint's crypto list and was able to buy some of these altcoins that have ultimately taken that $5,000 investment into 11,357 at this moment 3 days ago. Now, I will attach the links to these Telegram channels where we have the results lab so you can see more and more testimonials if it makes you feel better. But at the end of the day, the message is the same. This stuff really works. The real question though is, are you going to work? Again, are you taking the tap to trades, the trade alerts? Are you plugging into the sessions? How bad do you really want it if you're going to join this team and this platform? Because here's the reality of the situation. We make trading very simple, but at the end of the day, it's not easy. We've built this platform for absolute beginners, but you still have to put in some work to see the results. Now, if you're watching this video, it's because you already are interested and you see the winning mindset in yourself. You just need the right guidance, the right technology, the right system in place to help you go and get it done. So now I want to talk to you guys about how you can actually get involved for free for about a whole week's free trial. On top of that, I'm going to show you guys a way that you can use our affiliate program to get this platform for absolutely free for life. So first, let's talk about this free trial. So here's the info on the free trial. We're going to go live from November 17th to the 22nd, and we're going to be doing live trading sessions. You're going to be able to copy and paste trade signals. You're going to be able to learn and earn, and we're also going to be giving away daily funded accounts. So even I myself will be a part of this free trial, running live sessions and even calling out trade ideas for you to take. So if you are watching this before the time of this free trial, make sure that you lock in today. Links in the description to join all the Telegram chats that you need so you can be set up properly to take advantage of this free trial. And at the time of this recording, if it is past the free trial dates, guys, still make the decision to get locked in with Akashx and take the action. Because I've already shown you an entire breakdown of how the platform works. I've shown you testimonials. So there's really nothing left for you to see. Now it's just about making the decision that you're going to go and try this for yourself. Now, when you get started, you actually have the ability to do something called going 3 and free. So I'm going to click on that and show you essentially what this means is that you can refer 3 friends to Akashx and get a free membership. Now we do this because we understand that if you plug into our entire system with tap to trade, trade alerts, getting educated, I think you're going to more than 100% see the value of what we have here, and you're going to be inclined to want to share this with friends, family, co-workers, social media, etc. So if you've been on the fence about getting started with Akashx, if you just want more information or you want to connect with me, you can find my website in the description of this video. You can connect with me. I'll help answer any of your questions that you may have. If you're watching this within the days of the free trial, make sure you lock in your spot today. And if you are past the free trial, still connect with me ASAP to see if we have any current deals, promos, etc. that can help you get started with Akashx today. Congratulations to everyone who is getting started with Akashx today. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for any future content, Akashx related, or just day trading content in general. Appreciate the love, support, and I'll see you guys on the next video.